Dahi vada is an extremely popular and tasty Indian street food snack. It is loved by most of the people and also one of my favorite chaat. So let's check out the ingredients and what all we need for the dahi vada recipe. For dahi vada we need urad dal. This is 250 grams urad dal which I already soaked it overnight. If you don't have time, you can also soak it for 3 to 4 hours. Now here you can see that the dal is already fluffed up and now it is ready to be grinded. We will grind this into a soft paste. I have already grinded it. It goes like this. I have grinded it into a soft paste and here we will add little bit of salt. You can add rock salt. According to your taste you will add the salt here, and I am not adding anything else in this paste. After adding the salt you have to rigorously beat it so that air is aerated inside the dal paste. After beating the paste for 3 to 5 minutes, then let us check whether the air is incorporated in it or not. For that, we will take little bit of the paste and dip it into the water. And you can see that the paste is floating inside it is floating on the water. Here. It is floating on the water. It is not getting dipped inside. That means the air has already incorporated in it. Now this paste is ready for frying. Let us sort out the other ingredients for garnishing. So the first one is the curd. Here I have taken 1 cup of curd. If you need a little more, then you can add another cup of curd. In this 1 cup of curd, I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, you can use rock salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then we have to beat this curd also well so that a creamy consistency comes. Okay, next comes the green chutney. This is the mint and the coriander chutney whose recipe I have already uploaded in my other video, in my previous video. The next is the imli chutney. The recipe of imli chutney is also given by me in my previous video. You can make the imli chutney and keep ready for this recipe. Next we will need is the chaat masala. Then this is the roasted masala. The roasted masala, or you can also use the roasted cumin powder. The roasted masala recipe is again given in the imli chutney recipe. You can check it out. This is the Kashmiri red chili powder and little bit of chopped coriander leaves, and here finally it is the save for decorating it on the top or for garnishing it on the top. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use to garnish our dahi vada. Now let's heat oil in the kadai and start frying our dumplings. So the oil is heated up. Let us dip our dumplings in it. Vadas. Heat up the oil and reduce the flame to low flame, medium to low flame, so that the vadas get nicely fried. Okay, so it is deep golden fried. Now let us fry it on the opposite side. This is the easiest way to make dahi vadas. Now let us take them out from the oil and then let us drain the oil. So one round of frying the dumplings is over. Then let me fry some more dumplings. After deep frying the vadas, now we are going to dip it into lukewarm water. I am having lukewarm water with me and I have added little bit of salt in the water. We will dip all the dumplings inside this water so that it becomes soft. We will keep this for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that we are going to take it out from the water and then garnish it. These vadas are ready for the plating. So let us take it out from water. Squeeze a little bit, let the water drain out. The water should drain out from the vadas, and then when we dip it into the curd, the yogurt, then the yogurt should go inside these vadas. You can even store these vadas for 1 month. For that you just have to fry the vadas and then refrigerate it in an airtight container for 1 month. It will stay well. And when you are going to again plate it, then take out from the refrigerator and dip it into this salt water, lukewarm salt water, and then you can plate it. Okay, now let's plate it. So you can see the sponginess of the vadas. I haven't added any baking soda or any other ingredients in the dal when I blended it. And when you are blending it, be careful, don't add much water. Only 4 tablespoons of water you will add, that too little. When you are grinding the dal into a paste, add very few spoons of water. Now let us plate it. So first now let's add the curd on top. I am not dipping the dumplings into the curd, but I am putting the curd on top of this vadas. Okay, the next goes the green chutney. My full stall is here. All the chutneys, the dhania leaves, everything is here. So the next goes the green chutney. Then the imli chutney. All the chutneys recipes you will be getting in my previous videos. I have uploaded everything in advance so that we can use it for the chaat recipes. Now this is the chaat masala and the roasted masala, or you can also use roasted cumin powder. Then goes the Kashmiri red chili powder. Just sprinkle it on top. And finally the save. Little dhania on the top, and here it goes. Dahi vada is ready to serve. You can call your guest for a nice chaat party, and you can have or enjoy this dahi vada with them. Thank you for watching and keep cooking with me. Spice Bites.